Did you know that people with ADHD can turn making a simple snack into a 4-hour science project? Meet Tom. He invited 8 friends over for dinner and decided to make quesadillas. Easy, right? Wrong. Tom's brain had other plans. Instead of just throwing cheese in a tortilla, he became obsessed with perfect cheese distribution. He started measuring everything with rulers and scales. He researched the best tortilla to filling ratios online for 2 hours. When his guests arrived at 6, Tom was still working on his first quesadilla prototype. He drew diagrams of heat patterns. He watched professional cooking videos. He even studied Mexican food history. By midnight, Tom was testing his third perfect quesadilla while his starving friends had already ordered pizza and gone home. His brain turned a simple dinner party into a graduate-level research project. This is what ADHD hyperfocus looks like. Your brain picks the worst possible time to become a perfectionist scientist, completely forgetting why you started cooking in the first place.